Look at the charging case. You can see that it's a rectangular case with rounded edges. It is a matte black case, and you have the MEE logo right here on the bottom right side of the case. And although it's not one of the most compact cases we've seen, it has quite a robust feel to it, and the shape is pretty good as well. So it can easily be stored inside pockets and it's not going to bulge out too much. So now let's open it, and in here on the top you have a rubberized material, and here you have the plastic material yet again. So down here you have the cavity for the earphones themselves. You can see the golden tips, the magnetic tips, which connect these golden points right here to fit it magnetically. Also they have the left and the right indicators inside, so you can see those clearly as well. And yeah, they look pretty compact. At the bottom here you can see that there's an LED indicator, so there are 4 lights and it will light up in accordance to how much charge your charging case has left. And towards the right side here you have the Usbc port, so you can simply plug it in like this to charge it. So now let's talk about the earphones themselves. As you can see that these have angled nozzles, and the nozzles are rather short in comparison to normal true wireless earphones we've seen, and this makes it so the fit is rather snug, and also it doesn't protrude out of your ear too much. Although the back part of the earphones are quite bulky, so they will protrude a bit, but the short nozzles will ensure that they don't protrude too much. Also you can see that the silicone tips are rather small as well, and attaching them actually is a bit of a problem because it doesn't fix quite easily. The shape of the nozzles don't let them fix quite easily very soon. So yeah, these are the earphones, and you have a dual finish. There's a matte black finish here as well as here, and the MEE logo, and here in the middle you have a glossy black finish, so it does appear contrasty and looks pretty classy as well. Here at the back you have the physical buttons on both sides, which you can press to use your playback commands. And as we mentioned before, the commands can be viewed easily on the box itself because MEE Audio has included that. So yeah, they look like a great pair of earphones. They are very compact, look ergonomic, and yeah, that's it. So now we're going to look at the fit of the earphones inside the case itself, and you just put the left one like this and the right one like this, and you should see a slight white glow. The LED should glow white, indicating that it is charging. So there you go, you see it on both sides. That means it's charging, and when you close the case you will also see the battery life. So right now we just have 1 bar or 1 dot, and there are a total of 4, so you'll understand how much battery life you have. So right now we have about 25% or lower. So yeah, once you remove these earphones from the case, they'll start glowing blue and white to indicate that they're in pairing mode. You can see that right here. Also, the magnets are not too strong in these cases, we must say. We've seen magnets that are super strong in true wireless cases where they really pull on the earphones, but these ones seem a little flimsy, although they do not come out. So they seem like they're holding quite well, but they're not as strong as some of the other magnets we've seen. So there you have it, guys. These were the MEE Audio X10 Truly Wireless sports earphones by the company. They're looking to be a nice pair of earphones. The charging case is pretty compact. The earphone themselves look quite ergonomic, and overall we like the look of these earphones. Thank you so much for watching this video.